Hey everyone, welcome back to Stoic Mindset, Philosophy. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from it. Today we're diving into something that impacts all of us: bad habits and toxic mindsets. The truth is, we all struggle with these. But the good news is that Stoicism offers powerful tools to overcome them and transform our lives for the better. We all have moments where we feel trapped by bad habits or negative thinking patterns. These habits and mindsets can creep into our lives in many forms, like procrastination, self-doubt, perfectionism, people-pleasing, or seeking constant external validation. We may tell ourselves that we want to change, but somehow it feels like we're stuck, repeating the same mistakes over and over. And the longer we continue with these unhealthy habits, the harder it becomes to break free from them. But here's where Stoicism comes into play. Because Stoic philosophy offers us a map for navigating life's challenges, teaching us how to transform not just our actions, but our very mindset. Let's take a moment to reflect. How many times have you told yourself, "I should do this," or "I'll start tomorrow," but ended up procrastinating? Or how often do you find yourself consumed by fear of failure or judgment, holding you back from pursuing your true potential? The Stoics believe that it's not the external world that creates these feelings, but the way we interpret and react to the world around us. What happens to us, how others treat us, and even our own failures are all things beyond our control. What we can control, however, is how we think and respond to these events. As we frequently learned the hard way. This is the first key insight from Stoicism: the power of perception. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus wisely said, we are disturbed not by what happens to us, but by our thoughts about what happens to us. This simple yet profound idea teaches us that we are not at the mercy of our circumstances, no matter how difficult life may get. It is our thoughts, our interpretation of those circumstances, that determine how we feel and how we act. Therefore, changing our mindset is the first step toward transforming our lives. So how do we start to change our mindset and begin overcoming bad habits? It starts with awareness, the ability to recognize when we're falling into negative thinking patterns and unhealthy habits. But how can we become more aware of these patterns? By practicing mindful reflection every day. The Stoics believed that daily reflection was vital for personal growth. One of the core Stoic practices was keeping a journal, where you reflect on your actions, thoughts, and behaviors. This practice not only allows you to understand where you're going wrong, but it also helps you gain clarity on what truly matters in your life. So next time you find yourself feeling overwhelmed by negative thoughts, take a step back. Ask yourself, is this thought based on reality? Am I imagining something worse than it really is? Often our negative thoughts are just distortions of reality. We create worst-case scenarios in our minds that aren't actually true. By questioning these thoughts and reframing them, we start to take away their power. For example, if you think, "I'll never be successful," challenge that thought with the reality: I am on a journey, and every failure is a step towards success. By recognizing the negative thoughts, we begin to neutralize them and take control of our reactions. Actions in our lives can easily take a turn for the positive and maybe even inspire us. But awareness alone isn't enough. Stoicism teaches us that it's not just about recognizing the negative thoughts, but about taking action to improve them. This is where the concept of self-discipline comes in. The Stoics believe that our ability to act in line with our values and resist impulsive behavior is what truly defines our character. We all have the ability to choose, moment by moment, whether we will engage in a bad habit or cultivate a good one. The key is deliberate practice and consistency. Take procrastination, for example. It's easy to fall into the trap of putting things off because of fear of failure or the overwhelming feeling of having too much to do. But Stoicism teaches us that the fear of failure is just an illusion, an obstacle that only holds us back if we allow it to. Marcus Aurelius, a Stoic emperor, said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." When we break tasks down into smaller, manageable pieces and focus only on the present moment, we can overcome the paralyzing effects of procrastination. Each small step we take moves us closer to overcoming these habits, but we must start somewhere. Now let's talk about self-retrieve, another cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Habits are formed through repetition, so every time we indulge in a bad habit, we reinforce it. But each time we choose not to engage in the negative behavior, we build mental resilience. For example, if you're trying to stop checking your phone every 5 minutes, practice a small act of self-discipline by deciding to focus on something productive for just 10 minutes without distraction. You'll be amazed at how quickly your willpower muscles grow stronger. Say, but don't expect perfection. Remember that Stoicism encourages us to forgive ourselves when we slip up. We are human after all. Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, reminded us that the journey of self-improvement is a lifelong practice. There is no final destination. Instead, the goal is to keep moving forward, learning from our mistakes, and striving to be better each day. Ultimately, the path to overcoming bad habits and toxic mindsets begins with self-awareness and self-restraint. By practicing these Stoic principles consistently, we can transform our thinking, change our behavior, and build a life that aligns with our true values. The Stoics teach us that it's not about being perfect. It's about becoming the best version of ourselves, one step at a time. In the next part, we will explore practical ways to break the cycle of negative thoughts and build positive, empowering habits that align with Stoic philosophy. Stay tuned. This journey is just getting started, and the transformation is within your reach.